Hi everybody, I'm Trimayanti from Department of Chemistry Universitas Pajajaran. This work about triterpenoids from Lanthium domesticum cultivar pigitan and their antividal activity against Epilachna vigiooctopunctata larva. Lanthium domesticum cultivar pigitan is one of three cultivars of Lanthium domesticum, found both in wild and cultivated in Southeast Asia. Previous phytochemical studies on Lanthium domesticum reported the presence of tetranortriterpenoids, triterpenoid glycoside, onoceranoid type, and cycloartan type triterpenoids. Here we describe isolation, structure elucidation, and antividal evaluation of three triterpenoids from the seed, the leaves, and the fruit peels of Lanthium domesticum cultivar pigitan. As for methodology, the plant materials was collected from Manonjaya Tasikmalaya, West Java, Indonesia in April 2011. Generally, the plant materials were extracted to give a methanolic extract, which was partitioned between normal hexane and ethyl acetate respectively. The soluble fraction were subjected to column chromatography over silica gel using a 10% gradient of normal hexane ethyl acetate for further separated to yield compound 1, 2, and 3. These compounds were subjected to selected antividal assays on Solanum nigrum leaves against 4th instar larva of Epilachna vigiooctopunctata. As for results, the molecular formula of one was determined by LCMS data and thus required 8 degrees of saturation, originating from 3-olefin 1-carbonyl group and remaining 3-cyclic triterpenoid in the xylose ring. The IR spectrum of one suggested the presence of hydroxyl and carboxylic. The proton NMR spectrum of one showed signals due to 4 tertiary methyls and 2 phenylic methyl signals, and its carbon NMR spectrum revealed the presence of a 3-substituted olefin and 2 exomethylens. A comparison of the NMR data of one with the data for Lansioside C revealed the structure of the two compounds are very similar. Compound 1 was identified as Lansioside C. 30 signals were observed in the NMR of 2. In the spectrum showed the presence of 1 olefinic, 1 ketone, 1 carboxylic group. The proton NMR spectrum exhibited the presence of 6 methyl groups. The characteristic from cycloartan type triterpenoids resonating at 0.66 and 0.70 ppm. Based on spectroscopic interpretation and compare using data spectra from previous studies, compound 1 was identified as 3-oxo-24-cycloartan-21 oic acid. 30 signals were observed in carbon NMR spectrum of 3, including 4 signals olefinic carbon and 2 singlet carbon for ketone group. The proton NMR spectrum exhibited the presence of 7 methyl groups. Based on spectroscopic interpretation and compare using data spectra from previous studies, compound 3 was identified as alpha-gamma Onosera diendion. These three triterpenoids in 1% concentration exhibited moderate antividal activity against Epilachna vigiooctopunctata larva. Thank you.